Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Surprise here again. So today we're going to be talking about Nodepay. I'm just going to quickly get the link from my group here, then paste it in your browser, wait for that to load up. So it's going to bring you to this page. You're going to register, fill everything. After that you log in and it bring you here. This is your dashboard. Hello, surprise. So Nodepay is currently on season 3. There's been season 1, season 2. I know this is a project that always cooks, but I was just not interested. Because sometimes you need to gauge the number of airdrops we do. You can't do everything, no matter how you try. Airdrops are listening every minute. So I'm like, since this one too has to do with extension and mining, and I'm also mining other things this period, so let me just add it. And Nodepay for sure is gonna pay. They currently already have a price of $0.1. This is the price on, where's the price? Let me check for the price on Google. Current price of Nodepay. So this kind of things you check before you start mining. Mining waiting no get until. So you see 0.1. This one short piece. This one you don't even need to be an influencer or have so much allocation to get paid well. I see people get paid $50, $100, $180, $200 from this, right? So just get started. This one too, you are going to add extension to your browser. So we're going to click to activate the extension. You click that and click add to Chrome. Add extension. So it's going to be under this place. So the extension is loading. Wait for that to load up. Done. So you can see it. Nodepay extension has been added to Chrome. This is it here. This place I saying check it out for people that have done previous seasons, which I didn't do. So if you want to get your link to share with your friends here, you click on this place. Claim daily treasure 100 Nodepay points. That's loading up. Unlock in 13 hours. Connect to the network and start earning. No, I've added it to Chrome already, so to get started, you click on this place, connect to the network to start earning. Click on connect. It's going to show you this page that you have come to before. So you just come to the extensions. Don't click on removal. Come to extensions, click on Nodepay to activate it. Activated. Network quality 98%. Open dashboard. That's loading up. Connected. Can you see? Today's earning 100. So let's do other tasks. Connect your Discord. Click on Discord. You need to log in on your social media accounts on your phone or laptop browsers, so it will be easy like this. Because I've logged in before, it's already saved, so I don't have to start inputting password every time for the ones that I've logged in. Oh wow, interesting. So they brought out many more things, many more quests. Search Nodepay airdrop on Google, complete the questionnaire and hit the goal in 72 hours. So look at these are tax for very high Nodepay points, 25. I'm going to try and do this off camera because I don't want this video to be too long. So once you check in for 7 days, they're going to give you 400 points. Even as you're checking, they're going to be giving you points, but when you get to 7 days without missing a day, they give you 400 Nodepay points. So these are all the tax. These are extra tax that you can do. I've connected my Discord, so I'm just gonna claim that. I like the website though. I like the website. So let's try and connect Twitter. Those other tax up, they are going to take time. I have to do a little bit of research, so I'm not going to be including that in this video. There is no time for that, but I'm gonna do them so I can get more points. And the points are very high, 25. Okay, that's been done. See mission, 2 out of 20. There are 20 missions here. They're not compulsory, but if you want to end well, you have to do them. Here you can download the app on your phone. Now they're even saying the mission has expired, so I guess it refreshes every time, or they bring new missions every time. So if you get to 24 hours connection, they're going to give you 1,400 points. These are referral points. I like the website, I like it. So I've connected my ex. Claim 100 Nodepay points. So verify email, send verification email. Let me check my phone. They want me to click on the email or how? I'm not sure if my email is logged in here. So I've gotten the mail. I'm trying to see what it's about, so I can confirm it. You need to quickly do all this tax so you don't forget, because this tax now, this one's a one-time tax, so once you've done them, they're out of the way. So I've confirmed it here. It's not showing here yet. Let me try and log in on my phone. Well, let me refresh this page. So I verified my email. I'm going to click on claim. Now nobody's talking about this Nodepay, but they go on a low. Now when listing they come, 3 days to listing, 1 week to listing, they all of them now start posting back. You would think that you are the only one that is doing it. It's a lie. I'm not the only one, no. Because new airdrops are coming out literally every minute, so they already know, okay, this one pays, so let us focus on new ones. Do you understand? So I'm going to pin this to my Chrome, so I'll be coming back every 24 hours to activate the mining. Join Discord. It's just that most projects once they do season 2, season 3, the hype around them kind of dies. But the ones that pay well like this, it's still good to like farm them, because you know for sure we are not dealing with a scam project, right? So I've done 5 out of 20. So all the one-time tasks I've already done them. See, everything is checked. Let me claim my 100 points. How many points do I have now? See, user understanding quiz. Can you see this? All these quizzes have very high points. Let me see if I can do this one. How long have you been in Web3? Okay. Yes. Submit. Free 1000 points, just like that. See? So I don't want this video to be too long. There are a lot of interesting tasks to do on this place. See my total and Nodepay so far. 1000 points. Can you see? See how much I've earned so far from connecting my network. My system is making money for me, period. Money I use buy this laptop, you go make them back. So you say pre-launch claim live, submit your OK exiters, prepare for airdrop. They just finished season 2 when? Just finished season 2 like it's not up to 2 weeks now, if I'm correct. I don't currently have my OKX wallet connected to my extension, so I have to do that if I come and connect. So make sure to do that too, because most people complain that they can't claim. So now they're telling you to claim. See, claiming will end in 35 days, so that means we still have enough time to mine. It's not anytime soon. 35 days is over a month, so we can still gather our points before that time. And that doesn't mean that after 35 days it will end. It's just that that's the period that is allowed for claiming, for connection of wallets. So that's basically on Nodepay. Very nice, interesting project. If I knew, I'll have started it since. But it's never too late. We thank God for something. So yeah, make sure to get started. Link will be in my description box. Don't sleep on Nodepay, guys. So yeah, thank you for watching. Kindly like, subscribe, and share. Bye.